Hi there. Well, we recorded something before and we lost it. We don't know where it went. And when we opened up our window again, well, now we have Proud Patrick instead of the polar bear saying hi before. We're continuing with area model. What we lost from our recording was that you are to do your adding and subtracting test and your multiplication test. And I don't have those right by me, but you received those in your Friday folders. So you have 15 minutes to do your addition test, addition and subtraction test. You have 20 minutes to do your multiplication facts tests. And you should know how to do some of those larger multiplication problems on the bottom because we have been working with area model. So getting back to what we were doing, we are working with area model. Some of you are already anticipating what do we do for a challenge. But for some of us, we still have other things we need to practice on. So I want to do a demonstration before we get into some other things. Some of you are telling me that you don't know how to do this. We did that yesterday. We did that. I showed you that a little bit the day before. So we have been doing this. So when you do your multiplication tests, you know how to do things like this. And when we break these apart, we break them into our tens and ones. We have 20 plus 8. We have 30 plus 4. Maybe by looking at it this way, you're not certain how to look at this. Now that I have those broken apart, I need to draw my area model. I know there's people that want to volunteer to do this, but I want to review this first of all. Oh, we have some very disappointed hands now. Okay, I have to get my factors spread around my rectangle. 30 plus 4. And if you remember right, the students yesterday looked at this. They circled it knowing 30 plus 4 is 34. We see it. Okay, taken care of. Taken care of. Now we have 20 plus 8. Those of you with your noses on the table, please stop. Look at the board. Learn the procedure. I know some of you know the procedure. A lot of you don't. Those of you coloring, any of that, you need to stop. Please watch the procedure. You have to have your eyes follow what's happening on the board. We have another set of factors to, another factor we need to put here. We've broken 28 into 20 plus 8, so we have 20 plus 8. I know that 20 plus 8 is 28. Okay, I've checked it. I've got both of them. I've got that done. I can start working on my multiplication. 20 times 30. Remember, you have just like a multiplication chart. It meets here. To find the set of factors to multiply in this box, outside of the box we have an 8. Outside of the box we have a 30. 8 and 30 meet here. 8 times 30 go in that box. Now it's the box over here, 20 and 4. Again, I need to tell the students to have their eyeballs facing the board. Turn your chairs if you need to. Take the pencils out of your hand. I'm doing a review for some of you who really, really need it, and I have to keep telling you to stop doing whatever it is you're doing. Okay, and then to find this last one, remember, we find a factor, they meet here. Now we can begin our multiplying. 20 times 30. Remember that 20 is 2 times 10. 30 is 3 times 10. 2 times 3 is 6 times a 10 times a 10. Or in other words, 6 times 100, because 10 times 10 is what, everybody? 100. 100. Okay. 20 times 4. 24s. You can count by 20s, or in other words, you can think of 2 times 4 is 8 times your 10. 8 groups of 10. Looking at this one, 8 times 30. 8 groups of 30. 8 times 3 is 24. times your 10, 24 groups of 10. And then this one doesn't have any 10s. It's the 1 and the 1s that we're multiplying together. Okay, so we have in this column, we have a total of, 840 plus a total of 112. Adding that together. Okay, how many of you are remembering this a little? How many of you are remembering this a lot? Remember, you just took this test. And a bunch of you are starting to get the procedure. You may not know quite how to get it done, but you're getting the procedure. So get a piece of paper out. Get a piece of paper out. You're going to do some practicing. Yes, David?
Can I work the next one?
I'm going to give someone else a chance, although I know you really want to, and thank you. We have time to do one problem before we get into science. We have time to do one problem before we get into science. We're going to do a 2 by 2.
No.
What did you want to do?
Hundreds.
We're going to stick with the 2 by 2s right now. If we go by what is required by the state standards for what fourth graders need to know, you need to know how to multiply a 1 digit by a 2 digit, a 2 digit by a 2 digit, a 3 digit by a 1 digit, and a 4 digit by a 1 digit, like the things that are on the test that you do. Imagine that it's written out that way. Wonder why. Okay, you should have paper out. Here we go. Let's do 31 times 24. Go ahead, work it out. Okay, we're back. And the class is learning that when they do this in front of everybody, they learn it better. Right, Marshall? Right, David? Say right.
Right.
David was helping another student at the moment.
Oh no.
Okay, so, and if you make a mistake, guess what? We help you.
Yeah.
Why would we do such a thing, huh?
I don't know.
Okay, so she broke 31 into 30 plus 1. She broke 24 into 20 plus 4. And now she's getting a good start. Oh, she doesn't have a problem with the danger box.
Yep, that's correct. So then I take the 10 back in there, so add a 0, and then there's your answer. So once again, take the 0 away, and then it's 4 times 3. What's that?
There you go.
And you add it all together. And then add the 0 back because it's a 10. So what do you get? If it's 12 and there's a 10, you gotta add that 0.
Okay, those of you out there who are watching, do you agree? Okay, thank you very much, Akaya. Was it really scary? Oh, now she's discovered too, it's not so scary. Those of you at home, this is what I was talking about. You need to do this test, 15 minutes. You need to do this test, 20 minutes. You do know how to do these on the bottom now. Give her a shot. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta get into science. Bye.
Bye.